Hi, I'm Dr. Covert. I'm your Math1320 professor. I wanted to start this video just by introducing myself. Feel free to call me Dr. Covert or David. What I want to do is I want to show you a little bit around our Canvas site, show you a few other things as well. So let's jump over. So on our homepage for Canvas, most of this will be pretty self-explanatory, but I want to walk through it just very quickly anyways. So on our homepage, this is the screen that's going to come up. It has our syllabus, has our contact information. The way that I plan to structure this class is that every Wednesday from 9:30 to 10:20 we'll meet, we'll talk about some topic that's either difficult, or we'll do some extra practice, or there's going to be a programming component to this course where we're going to use the R software so we can spend the hour talking about R. I would really like our meetings on Wednesday mornings to be student-led, but I will certainly have some topics to talk about or some worksheets to work on anyways. So come with questions. The Wednesday 9:30 Zoom meetings will follow this link right here. So this link up here is for the Zoom meeting. Down here in my faculty contact information, so again, I'm Dr. David Covert. David is fine. Use my phone number, but I won't really be on campus much this semester, so the best way to get a hold of me is to send me an email. And then my Zoom office hours link is found here, okay? So that's a different Zoom link than up here. The link at the top here is just for your class. The link at the bottom is for all the classes that I have. So it's possible that students from other classes will join as well. So that's that. Next, I want to explore the syllabus. Again, just very briefly, most of this is, again, like I said, self-explanatory. At the top, it has our contact information, our meeting information, virtual office hours. You don't need to make an appointment for virtual office hours, just come by. If these don't work, just email me. I'm pretty flexible this semester as far as meeting times go. Make sure that you meet the prerequisites for the class. The software, we're going to be using MyMathLab, and I'll walk through that on Canvas in just a second. And again, most of this is pretty self-explanatory, so just have a look over it. The tests will be done online using MyMathLab software. So those are there. And then we'll have a midterm project and a final project that we'll talk about as we go along, okay? One of the first things that I'm going to ask you to do is to download R. R is, again, statistical computing software. It's free, and here's a link where you can download it. If you're using a computer where it might not be possible to download, so if you don't have a Windows or a Mac computer, if you're on like an iPad or something, you can actually still use R using what's called R in the cloud. So I've left a link for that as well. You don't need to download anything. You will need to create a login. Okay, so again, we'll use MyMathLab for homework, quizzes, and exams. And again, most of this is pretty self-explanatory. So just give it a quick look over as you can. What I really want to get to here is at the bottom. So this is going to be just our tentative course schedule, and this is just for the class meeting times where we're all going to meet as a class. So this is kind of my planned objectives as we go along, and I'll have videos for all the rest of the material. So that is the syllabus. All right. On the left-hand side here, you're going to see a link that says MyLab and Mastering. So I'm going to click on that. This is going to be how you access MyMathLab. Do not go to mymathlab.com or whatever the website is. I don't care. It doesn't matter. Don't go there. So just use this link here, MyLab and Mastering, and then you're going to click this orange or yellow Open MyLab and Mastering link. Now, Safari, which is the browser that I'm currently using, and MyMathLab don't get along. I think that's the only technological hiccup here. So what I want to do is I want to share a new screen here. So I'm going to jump over to Google Chrome. So this is our same Canvas site, but now with Google Chrome. And if we click on that link, what's going to happen is it'll come up with our MyMathLab homepage. So this is going to be the homepage for our MyMathLab course. Click over here, we have assignments. This is actually a copy of an old course that I have, but yours will look very much like this. And you'll be able to see the due dates over here, what the assignments are, and so on. Okay, so anyways, that's MyMathLab. And then one other feature here is the ebook. So if you click down here on the e-text, you can actually access the book at any point. Okay, so that's included in the software there. All right, so I think that's all I wanted to say for now, just as a quick introduction, and I look forward to seeing you all soon.